We grew up not realizing that we were so poor, because we really had a very rich family life. There was a lot of Yiddishkeit. My parents, every Friday night there was an Oneg Shabbat with all of their friends, and they had many, many friends. And I was the youngest by far. My one sister, who recently passed away, was 12 years older than I, and my other sister is 8 years older than I. And so they were always out busy with their friends and doing things, and I was the baby and I was at home. So it was very fortunate for me because I always was there for these onegs. And every one of them, it was like a salon. They would sit around the table and everyone would either sing a song, tell a story, discuss a book, recite poetry, everyone, and all in Yiddish. And it was, at the time, I didn't realize how much I was absorbing, but it was only later that it became very meaningful to me. They had friends who were in the Yiddish literary world. So, for example, one guest at our table was Avrom Reyzen. Avrom Reyzen was a Yiddish poet. And I remember when I was about 5 years old, he brought me a doll. And I never had a doll because we were very poor. My mother made me dolls out of rags, but I never had a real painted doll. And I was so proud of it. And I took it to school for show and tell. And I said, I got this from Avrom Reyzen. And they all looked at me and didn't really know who I was talking about. But another one with Chaim was another Yiddish writer. And these people would come and spend Shabbat with us.